Welcome. In this lecture, we'll talk about adding animations to objects and text. We've talked about slide animations, which are called transitions, but you can add animations to pictures, shapes, and text boxes too. When you create animations, always be thinking about how they're going to work in conjunction with your talk. Some can be for fun, some can be for function. Sometimes you need to slowly reveal elements on your slide. In fact, let's just go ahead and click the cloud or the callout shape. And I'm going to go to my animations. And as you notice, they are divided into categories such as entrance, emphasis, and exit. Now, entrance will control how an object appears on the slide. Emphasis is something that can happen to it while you're already on the slide. And exit is a way for it to leave the slide. So I'm going to choose the grow and turn one. So I'll go ahead and select that one. And I can see the animation. I go ahead and preview it. And if I don't like it, I could always go up and change it. So I'm going to, on this animation tab, you can also change the duration of it as well. So I believe I have the grow and turn. I have it set to duration of 1. So I can decrease that, make it a little bit faster, maybe. So I'll go preview. Okay. There are a few things that I can do, and I need to associate how, the different animations are going to happen on the screen. So I have these lightning bolts as well. And what I want to do is I also want to activate those too and give those a grow and turn. So I'll select it, and I'll go to my grow and turn here. I'll select this one. I'll look for my grow and turn there. So let's go ahead and preview this. Good. I kind of like that. So if I need to reorder it, I can go ahead and reorder those as well. Also, there's another item I want to show you is that on this main one, if I want to add an additional animation, I can go ahead and add that. And maybe I'm going to have it teeter. So I'm going to select that. And then on these, I'm going to have these, probably, I'm going to add an animation. Let's see what I can have. Maybe a zoom effect. I'll do that here as well. I'll add an animation and I'll do a zoom. I don't know where I stuck that at. Well, I'll have this one teeter as well. So let's go ahead and preview this and see what we get. Kind of neat. I kind of like that. So notice that, we can change the duration and the speed. We can change how we want it to start, if you want it to start on click or with previous or after previous. But I want this all to happen on click, so I'm going to leave that there. You can also change the trigger as well, and these are the different options that you have on your screen. And then in addition to that, like if you have some of these animations on here and you don't want them, you just simply click on it and then hit the delete on your keyboard, and that gets rid of that animation for that. So I already, have the animation pane open. So I can also maybe select the fly-in and give that a chance and see what that looks like. So I'll go ahead and I'll look for the fly-in. Let's see, because I kind of like things flying in. There's a fly out, but I am not seeing, oh, I see the fly in. So I'm going to have maybe this one. I'm going to add an animation. And I'm going to click the, the fly in here. Okay, so let's preview that. Oh, I like that. What a terrific storm. That's more like it. So I can now see that I have 2 animations set up for here and 3 for here and 1 for here. And, as I said earlier, if I want to delete a particular animation, I can click on the top of that slide by selecting it and hitting the delete key. Or I can go and right-click on the animation itself and select remove. Now that we've seen the whole thing in action, I think it's perfect. Then I can close out of the animation pane on the top right-hand side and get back to work. So have fun with your animations and your PowerPoint presentation slides.